Welcome, today I am with VIVO Y33s and I will show you a couple camera tricks. So we are going to start from the photo mode. When you are here, you can quickly increase or decrease brightness level. Take a look. You have to tap on the screen, and with this sun icon you can decrease or increase the brightness level. I hope that you can see the difference, especially when you take a look right here of this black stand of the monitor. You can also adjust it manually by tapping on the screen, and your phone will make it automatically. Another option that you can use in the photo mode, it's the filters. You can tap here and you can quickly change the colors. I will show you, for example, of this small sensor. Take a look on it. We can adjust strength of this filter, so we can change temperature and colors by these default modes, just like that. It's also some kind of the portrait light effect, but I cannot show you because it only works when the phone detects the person. When you are in the video mode, you can do the same with this brightness level, so you can decrease or increase. And also we can add these filters, but honestly they don't look really cool. I think that you can use external application. I think maybe a few of them looks nice, like for example this one, but the rest of them are not that good. But maybe you will like it, you know, it's also the personal preferences. The next we have to go for the settings, and right here we can add the small shutter. Oh, I just forgot that word. I mean the delay to our shutter. So here we can pick 3, 5 or 10 seconds. Let's pick 3 seconds for example, and right now when you are take a photo, press on the shutter, and after this time the photo will be taken. So it will be definitely useful when you try to take photo of yourself, but not like a selfie. You want to reuse the rear camera, you want to put your phone in a tripod for example, then press this button, select like 10 seconds, so you are trying to stand up and be ready to get a photo. Okay, I'm gonna turn off this option because I don't need it right now. The another useful thing that we can find is the shutter options, so we can touch the screen to take photo, say cheese, or show palm of our hand. I'm gonna enable all of these options and I'll show you step by step every feature. So take a look. The first option is the touch screen. You know, sometimes when you hold your phone like that and right or the left hand, and the second hand is not available, so you hanging something with this hand, you can take photo by tapping on the screen, just like that. Take a look. So when you cannot reach shutter, you can just tap on the screen, and the photo will be also taken. You can also use voice recognition. You can say cheese. Okay, it doesn't detect my voice, so let's try to say it a little bit louder. Cheese. And there it is. Right now it works. So it will be also good for the tripod photos. Like I said before, you can set the timer countdown, or you can use the voice recognition. And also we can show the palm of your hand. Okay, this one not working, so it will probably works on the front camera. So right now I'm gonna switch. And take a look, you can show the palm of your hand, and then the photo was taken. Let's go back for the settings, and the last option that's very useful, you can quickly increase video resolution from 720 to Full HD. And that's all. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.